The Dassault Rafale M is a clear testimony to French excellence in the skies. This multi-role fighter excels where it matters most, both in the air and over the sea. But what makes it truly special? The Rafale M's unparalleled ability to perform admirably as what is colloquially known as a missile truck is truly unmatched in the aviation world. This magnificent aircraft is equipped with a variety of complex advanced armament systems, allowing it to carry up to 14 hardpoints that are specifically designated for both air-to-air and air-to-ground missile types. Some of the great weapons include well-known missiles like the Meteor, Scalp, and Exocet, which have shown to be very effective. The impressive flexibility of the Rafale M lets it target many different things that can be far away, showing its ability to operate and fight well. The Rafale M is successful because of its advanced technology. Its AESA radar gives the best detection and tracking abilities, and its Spectra electronic warfare system is unmatched for protection against dangers. The Rafale M is built to have low radar and infrared signatures, making it hard to spot. This is very important for winning modern battles. Please leave your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to check out all the other videos about military tech progress on the channel.